next day.
So yan, can you see me? Pero medyo malayo. Good morning! So I'm already having my coffee. And we'll start putting my makeup. Lagay lang po ako ng lotion. So let's clean our table. So yan. Okay. Binigyan na ng aking iPad. So I brought with me my own Muji mirror. Si Miss Muji. So I already put my... This is my lotion. I bought it from Face Shop. It's the rice lotion. Because when I do my lotion, I just put it on the areas that are hindi oily. Di na ako naglalagay sa ilong kasi sobrang oily ng ilong ko para dagdagan pa natin ng oil. So kung matatandaan nyo, this is the BLK that I bought and I'm still using it. So minsan I alternate it with the foundation na powder. But nowadays, I'm using this so that it is easy to blend. So yata yung 750. So okay naman siya. Yung primer na stick, naubos ko na siya. Gusto ko siya. So ito, idadab mo lang ng ganyan. And then, ilalagay sa mukha. I-even out mo lang kasi pagka ganito, na liquid foundation, nagkikake siya. So, hindi niya actually nakiklearly tanggal yung mga marks. So, parang ano lang siya. Let's say parang light coverage lang. Hindi niya nako-camouflage yung mga marks. Hindi na kasi ako naglalagay ng mga iba-ibang, lalo na pag mainit, hindi na ako naglalagay ng mga iba yung primer, concealer. Kasi parang ang feeling ko masyadong makapal na yung makeup. Tapos pupunta ka lang naman sa initan. So I would do that if we'll attend a party or dinner, ganyan. Pwede makapal-kapal. Pero ngayon kasi ang init eh. So if you're going to use it outdoor. So ang SPF nito hindi masyadong mataas. So if you have a sunblock, lagay na kayo before, lalo na kung beach kayo pupunta. But dito lang naman ako. I just have breakfast with the staff. So, okay na yan. Para lang hindi ka lalabas na parang tawag mo doon. Medyo kita-kita pa yung mga pores yan. So siyempre plansya ko na yung buhok ko. Yan. Just pinaplansya ko lang siya sa umaga. Nakakatuwa yung plansya ko. Mabilis siya mag-straight. Nabili ko lang siya sa SM. Sa mga 2,100 lang. Tapos I'm using Superstay in 24 hours nila. This is full coverage pero ganun din. Ito naman, minamatify ko lang yung mga areas na hindi, tingnan mo, medyo kahit pag naglagay ka kasi ng foundation na liquid, the areas na nangingintab pa din. Yan, see? Tatanggal yung mga kintab-kintab. Oh, so, hindi na natin masyado kapalan kasi kakain ka lang naman. Or most likely yan na yung makeup ko going back to Manila. So, that's 24 hours stay. I put it inside my bag. So that if I need it, it's like a press powder. I use it as a to retouch. If for example, in the middle of the day, makeup mo masyado ng tawag mo doon, yung malangis-langis ka na, nangingintab ka na. So, blot mo muna ng tissue and then you put on the foundation. It's a foundation. It's a powder foundation which I use as a press powder. Kasi tama yung shade sa ano ko. So, ganyan. Hindi ako yung traditional na straightforward makeup. I use whatever I feel like easy to retouch. Pakasa na ba yung ano? So this is where I put all of my if I travel, yan lang. So that I have also a place where I can put the used brushes. So, after the foundation, I would put on my eyebrows. But, kahit ako yung tinatato, I think mas gusto ko yun. Pagka medyo may oras ako. So, I would just follow the tas light lang. Kung magmukhang may caterpillar ako dyan sa ganyan lang. I'm using the BYS. It's the Brow Definition Kit. Nanonood ako ng YouTube ni Ann Klotz. So, ito yung ginagamit niya in the past. Siyempre, baka iba na yung ginagamit niya ngayon. Ito pa rin ang ginagamit ko. May ganun kasi ako. If yun ang nag-work sa akin, yun na. For life. Pagka-loyal. So, yan. And then, ganyan lang. Hindi masyadong makapal. Ano nakikita niya yan. Parang lang. To just define the eyebrows. Ayoko nang masyadong parang dinrawing na eyebrow. But, magpapatattoo ako ng eyebrow. Kasi, yung daughter ko nagpatattoo siya. Ang ganda. Pangit lang dun sa first kasi talagang alam mo na parang dinrawing. But as it fades, maganda siya. So far, mga 1 to 2 months na siya. Ang ganda naman. Alam ko kasi tinatattoo dati, makikita mo may mga green-green. Sa kanya wala, maganda. So I'm also using Huda Beauty. Yan. For my eyebrow. Actually, parang hit palette na ako for some. There are favorite colors that I'm using and then some colors that I'm not using. But this is what I use for my eyes. It's Huda Beauty because if you put it, it's pigmented. Konti lang. Ganyan lang. Konti lang and then yan na. So, syempre, breakfast, huwag na natin masyadong kapalan. It's just, meron kang eyeshadow is enough. When you do your makeup, it's also I don't know for others, but for me, it's like preparing, actually for people that you meet, it's more like saying they're important, so you prepared for them and meeting them. So yan, and it also is a good practice to amp your personal development. It's just a few minutes of time, so our breakfast is at 7:30. Nag-makeup lang ako. Hindi naman ako mukhang bagong gising. And then siguro at around 10, I'll take a shower. Mag-exercise pa ako after this. And then maliligo. Around 10. will fix already my things and then yan. After maligo, antay ba? Kasi syempre yung light, tingin mo parang wala ka nilagay pero actually ang kapal na. And, wala namang masama sa makapal. O sa tutunaw naman siya. Huwag lang yung sobrang makapal na parang mananako. So eyes first. And then put my eyeliner. As I'm done, I put all the stuff back to my makeup kit so that wala na akong inaayos ulit. So, syempre, ang ginagamit ko, so I've tried a lot of eyeliners. I have tried, ano ba yun? Deviant. Hindi ko masyado gusto kasi parang hindi siya nag-define ng manipis siya and then you have to do it all over. Parang you have to repeat the strokes. So I tried yung O2O from watching TikTok and I like it because yung brush is very fine and when you draw it, mabilis lang. If you need to erase it, mabilis lang din and it stays longer. So, in the house, I have a different mirror. So, hindi ko na rin aartehan yung aking eyeliner. Basta ma-eyelineran mo. So, yan. Hindi masyado nakita kasi. In the house, I have a mirror that makes everything bigger so I can see it. But hindi ko yun madala kasi it has a stand. So, ito lang din na lang. So, okay na yan. Hindi ka naman tititigan ng kausap mo at i-check yung eyeliner mo. So, para mabilis lang. Ng arte-arte. Then, when I put my nakita ko to kay Patrick Star. Ang gaganyan siya. Ganyan. Tapos, meron dito sa angle sa gilid. Ako masyadong makapal. So, ganyan ulit. And ganyan. Ngayon, pagka medyo makapal, gusto niyo burahin. Patungan niyo na lang na pwedeng highlighter, pwede din yung press powder. Sobrang makapal na. Usually kasi pag asa house, so I'm using my brush. Pag mukha naman kayo nasuntok, medyo yun na lang ng konti. Yan. So, see yung ilong ko. Hindi pa nga ako nakakatayo dito. Naglalangis na siya. Imagine nyo yun sa baba. That's what I would usually check throughout the day if I need to mattify yung ilong ko. Kasi parati siya nagpapa ng oil. Okay, next. So, yun na. Then, I will put back on my stuff. I won't keep it kasi later after taking a bath. Mag-makeup ako ulit. Ganon din. Bilis na proseso lang. Putting everything here. There's a drawer in the table eh. Para na malinis yung table. Also drinking my meds in the morning for my hypertension. So routine na yun. napansin nyo, may lipstick na ako kasi bago pa lang natutulog, nag-lipstick ako. But the lipstick that I'm using, hindi siya nagta-transfer sa pillow. I'm using, ito lang, Ruler by Maybelline. Matagal siya. Hindi siya nagta-transfer. Siya lang yung nagustuhan ko. But nakaka-dry siya, so it's up to you na lang to put a lip balm either before you sleep at night or konti lang. Kasi na meron na. So yan na. Naayos ko na ang aking face. So ano pa ba? So malamig yung room. Nakasya, dami kong basura. So yan na, okay na. Anong oras na ba? 7:15. So 15 minutes na lang. We'll have to prepare for my outfit. Ito na lang din. I slept with the jogging pants. Actually, we slept past 12 o'clock kasi naglaro pa yung mga staff ng Telestration. You should try Telestration. It's very nice. You don't need the actual kit. So that's my water. Still finishing my coffee. So when I sleep, I put socks. Para hindi ma-dry yung skin niya. So first routine when I wake up is to brush my teeth and wash my face. Yun lang naman. And then coffee after brushing your teeth, diba? Good luck. Meron silang mga coffee packets dito. Yun ang ginamit ko. Coffee packets. But I'm using Splenda. So kalahating Splenda at saka isang coffee. Yun na, that's my day. That's to start my day. Tapos, usually when I do makeup, if I'm not vlogging, I would watch YouTube. I would watch Garden Answer. Mahilig kasi ako sa halaman. So, I would watch Garden Answer. And another favorite channel is Todd and Tyler. Yun lang mahilig ako, and then check mga interesting topics lang. Yun na. Sometimes I don't have so much time to watch, so kung ano lang yung makita ko. But I always like to watch Garden Answer. Nag-enjoy ako sa vlog niya. Short, but since she gardens and she has a very big space, so nakakatuwa siyang panoodin. She features different stuff that she plants every day. So interesting yan for me. After checking out, we'll go straight back na. So we'll just take them for lunch. Baka hindi na kami umabot ng dinner. And if we do, baka kung gusto nila, kung saan kami dumaan, they can still explore. Yun na lang. Kasi may pasok pa kami bukas. So, yeah. Want them to rest also. Dahil Monday is a busy day for us. Daming patients that we have to update. Someone's knocking, gutom na. See you later. And then your Wi-Fi access, it's also in the keycard key at the back. And then here, this ledge holds the remote for the TV. And then the channels. Ano ha, Sky Cable pa rin sila. O yan. So I was able to watch Disney Channel yesterday. Yesterday na, I'm filming this the next day. So I'll see you later for breakfast. Hey, ang ganda. See? Yan ang kanilang progress. And then there's the street view. And then gusto kong aircon for the house. This is their private ready to eat na. So we stayed here last night and we played yung illustration. We were there seated in the other table.
Parang ka-edit pang over ng overexposure. This is how it looks. Going up, this is the stairs. Small photo area. Ganda ng mga artworks dito. Ganda ng art. This one. Mama Mary. The artwork. This is the hallway. Linis, ganda lang. Na kami, last day na. Mga kasama. Ganda ka naman dyan. Walang ganda ko dyan do.
Sige na nga. Pumila kami. Nanloloko pa itong mga kasama.
Dito sa baba. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Wala na ako naiwan.
My goodness.
Talaga?
Ayos na kami. Totoo na to. Ang sarap dito. Ayan o. Mamimiss namin sila. At nila kami. Pagkat napakagulo namin.
Dito naman kasi na lang tayo.
Ganda naman ang wig mo, ma'am. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi. Shout out.
We ate at the Sakura Japanese restaurant in Subic before going home. The food is so good. This was a recommendation of Janet. Thank you, Janet.
Wow, sarap naman ng pagkain.
Ito ay karedon. Yan ay
Beef curd.
beef curry. Minsan sana. Ano yung diet mo ba?
Wagyu rice.
Wagyu.
Hindi ko na alam yan, Dok.
Karaage.
Marami. Hirikatsu man. Hirikatsu. Ano nga yung Shunaga nawa?
Wow, you're so Japanese.
Shunaga. Naga.
Yung sa'yo, Abby.
Wala pa po.
Okay, ano yan?
Naga.
Katsu. Ano yung order mo?
Sugar.
Ha?